Have we been purchasing in the B&M gardening sale? Welcome to Gardening with Ben. I've been buying stuff from B&M's. I know you should never walk in that place because you'll end up coming out with stuff that you don't really need, but I have fell into the trap. And yeah, let's see what we've purchased for our garden to make it look more exciting. So I purchased a couple of butterfly houses. These were reduced to £1. Don't know if they'll work or not, but we'll give them a try, as I do love to see the butterflies down at the allotment. Yes, they do eat the vegetables and the brassicas, but I do love to see the butterflies as well. So I'll have to get these ones up over the weekend. The bird feeder to put some nuts in to give the birds the energy over the winter period. So yeah, that'll be nice. So we need to pop that up on the plot. I love that. Might not last so long, but hopefully it'll last a bit. And these are the exciting bits. Get ready to see these. Yes, we have got some gnomes. We've got some gnomes for the plot. So yeah, I'm looking forward to putting these out. That's the first one. That's our next one. They're brilliant, these. Another one. They're fantastic, I love them. And that's our next one. So yeah, we've got 4 gnomes for the plot, which I'm looking forward to putting these out. And then we've bought some little mushrooms as well to pop in. So yeah, let's get these put in our new autumnal garden area. And there we have it. We've got his mushrooms in, we've got his gnomes in. Absolutely looking fantastic. I love them. Great addition to our autumnal garden area. Fantastic, I love them. Absolutely amazing. So yeah, I'm impressed with this new autumnal bed. It's looking amazing. Hopefully it'll fill out a bit, and obviously we'll be getting loads of spring bulbs to add into the area as well to make it look beautiful in springtime, as I do love my spring bulbs down here on the allotment.